Welcome to 1055 Joshua Tree Way. This lovely 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with a 2-car garage, nice sized backyard, and LVT flooring downstairs inside. It's located in the Ridgeview subdivision in the Red Bank area of Lexington. So we're out front. You can see it's a 2-story home. You have a nice sized driveway here, 2-car wide, leading to the 2-car garage. Covered front entry as you come in here as well. And you step inside into an open floor plan living area on the main level. You have laminate vinyl plank flooring throughout this area. Right off of the front door, you have a half bathroom here. You have a pedestal sink and commode in there. And then the living room or family room is open to the dining area as well as the kitchen. You have an island in the kitchen with a counter bar. And the kitchen itself has granite countertops as well as stainless steel appliances. There is a side-by-side refrigerator, above range microwave, smooth top electric range, and a dishwasher that you can now see over here as well. And then sort of off the kitchen area, you have access to the backyard, which has a nice sized concrete patio out back. You have some fencing at the rear, sort of separating it from the edge of the neighborhood. And then you are open, at least at the time of the video, to your neighbors left and right. But the yard is a nice size. There's a coat closet with hanging space and a shelf at the back end, as well as a pantry here right next door to it. And then you have a couple of doors, one being just some extra storage beneath the stairs and access to the 2-car garage as well. See if we can get you a bit more light in there, but it's a nice sized garage. There's a mid-size or a smaller SUV parked inside as of now, so you can sort of get an idea of space for the scale inside. Alright, and then we'll take a look at the second level. You have carpeting starting here on the stairs, and that continues up. You do have the LVP flooring in the laundry room, and you can see in the bathrooms up here also. So off the landing up here, you do have a laundry room with an included washer and dryer. As of the time of the video, do check for details with the office on that. And then on this side, you can see we have full bathroom, single vanity, and a shower and tub. And then behind the door, you have some linen closet space in here. And then we have our master suite right next door to that one. Faces the front of the home. You have double sinks in this bathroom. Shower and tub at this end. And the room itself is a nice size and also has a walk-in closet with a window over here. And then we go to the other side. We have the remaining bedrooms. So one here at the back of the home. This may be one of the, maybe the only one that doesn't have a walk-in closet, but you saw the one in the corner there. The shelving does go back behind the doorway just a little bit. And bedroom number 3, this one's on the side of the house. It does have a walk-in closet of its own. And then the last bedroom, bedroom number 4, on the front of the house, and it has its own walk-in closet with a window, as did the master. So nice spacious home with 4 bedrooms here in Lexington, 1055 Joshua Tree Way. You can find more information online at turnerproperties.com.